I have decided to make a couple of tutorial videos and understanding as to some of the differences that we have between the virtual and the real racing. A lot of us are finding our way to the sim and racing, and it's really good fun, and it's a fantastic tool to keep on training and be sharp. And I mean, it's a fantastic tool, period. You know, I've been on simulators forever, big believer in it. These are some of the things that you need to watch out for, the battle. The first big problem is input lag. A lot of pro drivers, when they first get on the sim, they do say, it doesn't feel real, I can't feel the car. And yes, they are right. If the settings are not correct, it's very hard to get in tune with the sim. And this is the first problem that you battle. I'm going to shift over and you can see right now. So I am in a pretty graphic intensive car. This is the Audi R18, cool car and everything. And my graphics are set up so that it is really good. I mean, very sharp definition of the lines and everything. I am at in Spa, which is a fairly busy, intensive track. Le Mans right now with those settings, I couldn't even load Le Mans on my machine, and my machine is fairly new. Well, it's 3 years old, but with good graphic cards and everything. Now, if you look at my steering wheel, if I move very, very slowly, no problem. But you see, even now, if I move somewhat fast, you can already see some input lag. If I were to go and try to make, say I'm turning in and I have to make a quick oversteer catch, you see how much of that delay that is. Now, that is true delay. That is true lag. So you will not get the correction until it is on the screen, and that is a big problem. These screens are actually 1 millisecond refresh rate screens, so they are very fast. As far as I know, still today on the market, one of the fastest ones that you can get in that size, which is 27 inches. If you go anything bigger, if you're trying to set up on a TV, on a 55-inch monitor or something, you stand no chance. But this is where you need to start, and from there on, you need to work on your graphics. I'm going to now change them and show you how much better we can make this. Okay, we're back. So I made some substantial changes. You see that the graphic definition, you see the lights, the lines are nowhere near as sharp. So I reduce a lot of the anti-aliasing, but once you drive, it actually feels good. You see that this line here is correct, and the edges of the car are of lower definition of that jazz. But the end result is, if you look at my steering wheel now, if I move softly, it definitely moves, they definitely move together. And if I move somewhat fast, you see that they still stay mostly together. If I wiggle like this, yes, I have some problems, but nowhere near as bad as it was before. That will be drivable. It's not optimum, but that's good. Now, going to a less graphic intensive car, going to a less graphic intensive track will make that better. I can go to some different cars and there is no lag whatsoever. But these are the limitations at this point. There you go. I hope this was helpful. Happy racing.